Hello all, welcome to the next subtopic of electrostatics. That is, we are going to learn about the basic properties of electric charges, and now we are concentrating on the fourth basic property of charge, that is forces between the charges. This we already know. Okay, you also might have some understanding between this. If suppose this is what a positive charge and this is what a positive charge, so we practically we can say that positive there is what a repulsion, there is a repulsive force between similar charge. Similarly, if there is what a this is what a negative charge and this is what a negative charge again, so negative there is a repulsion, so these two charges are going to repel each other. While if considered as one charge to be positive, another charge to be negative, so if this is what one charge which is positive charge and this is another charge which is negatively charged, then they will be having a force of attraction. There will be a force of attraction between positive charge and negative charge. It is not like gravitation that it is always attractive force. Okay, so charges they can change the force direction depending upon the magnitude, depending upon the polarity of the charge, whether it is positive or it is negative. So what we can say, we can understand this forces between the charges by a simple line that like charges they repel each other. Like charges means similar charges, means positive, negative. Like charges, similar charges, positive charges, negative charges, they repel each other. Unlike charges attract each other. Unlike means dissimilar charges. Dissimilar means opposite polarity charges. So opposite polarity charges means one charge positive, another charge negative. They what attract each other. Okay, so like charges repel each other, unlike charges attract each other. So this can be understood by a simple diagram which is there in your textbook. So this is what a rubber. So initially the rubber contains negative charge and the glass rod contains positive charge. So this rubber it is going to getting, it will tilt towards this glass rod. That means there is a force of attraction. So this arrow indicates that it is tilting towards the glass rod. Now if suppose both are negative, if both are negative, that then that rubber is going to repel from that glass rod. Okay, if suppose this is what a rubber, this is what rubber. Again, another rubber, negative rubber is it is getting in contact with that rubber without touching. It is in the vicinity of that rubber. Then it is going to show a repulsive force. That means it will be moving in that direction. And also, if suppose there is a glass, and again this is what a glass is there. So glass and glass both contain what positive charges. So there will be again there will be repulsion, okay, such that it is moving in this direction. So this to indicate that the similar charges they repel each other, and here we can say that opposite charges they attract each other. Okay, so what we understood is we understood the basic properties of electric charge. The first property we understood is the additive nature, that charges can be added just like mass. But how it differs from mass? The addition of masses are always positive, but we can say that whenever the charges are getting added, it can be positive or it can be negative or it can be zero. Okay. Then we understood the second point, that is the quantization of the charges. Quantization of the charges means if suppose you add one charge, if you add another charge, if you add another charge, or if you remove one charge, then the value is getting added or subtracted constantly, and that value is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs. Okay. The third point is the law of conservation of charges, that charges can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can be transferred from one substance to another substance, and the total charge in an isolated system remains constant. The fourth property we are understanding is the forces between the charges. We understood that similar charges they repel each other, while unlike charges they attract each other. Positive, negative, there is a force of attraction. Negative, positive, there is a force of repulsion. Okay, and what is the value of this repulsive force? Value of this attractive force? What is the formula of this force? How to calculate this force? This can be understood in the next topic, that is Coulomb's law. The next topic is what? Coulomb's law. So in the next topic, Coulomb's law, we will be understanding the formula for getting the force of attraction and repulsion. Okay. So you pause the video, you make the things down, you note these things, study well, because electrostatics is a very important topic from physics, considering 11th as well as 12th standard. Okay, so please note these things down. Thank you so much for paying attention. Have a nice day.